Jay Peters here from StampinBJ.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that loves to share ideas with you. And today I want to share with you how to make some 3D flowers that are going to be great to adorn a tree or a frame or just your projects. So let's get started. You are going to be surprised at how easy these are to make. So here are these gorgeous Daisy Lane flowers. Some of these are, I don't know, they're just so realistic. They're awesome. I love experimenting with the different color combinations. I just think that they're just fun to sit and play with and make in front of the TV at night. Here is the Daisy Lane stamp set. So this is in the current catalog, and you can still get Daisy Delight 2, which was introduced a couple years ago and was so popular. And this is the Daisy Punch, and here's the medium Daisy Punch. And you can see the punches that I've used here. So this punch will come bundled with this for a savings. And regular Daisy Punch, this is the 1 1/8 inch scallop circle, and you'll need a 1/2 inch circle punch as well. So let me show you how to make these. What I've done to get started is made myself kind of the punches that I need. So I stamped 2 of the large daisies and punched them out, and then I need 2 plain daisies. Then I need 2 stamped medium daisies and 2 plain daisies. Here's my 3/4 inch circle, and then the 2 1 1/8 inch scallop circles. You're going to start by trying to break some of the fibers in your flowers by using your bone folder and just kind of curling the edges. Notice how I'm holding this, and I'm holding it so that I'm supporting the petals so that I don't accidentally rip one off. And you're going to want to do this for all of your flowers. There we go. Now I have all my flowers kind of curled up. Now let's start assembling. I'm going to start by using my Tombow glue and adding the 2 largest flowers together and offsetting the petals, just like that. Then I'm going to add the 2 stamped petals on top. So there's those 2 petals together. Now I'm just going to start adding the smaller flowers. So adding them in the same fashion, just kind of alternating where the leaves of the petals kind of line up. There we go. So there's my flowers so far. You see that? Now let's work on the center. You're going to want to use your paper snips and snip up towards the center every other petal all around the 2 scallop circles. Hold that up so you can kind of see it. And I did just try and break some of the petals as well here by using my bone folder. The other important tool here is take your pick tool, because you can place this in your hand and it just make a little circle in the middle, and that will help break those fibers and kind of curl those petals up just a little bit. You're going to repeat that with your second one. So now I have both of them done. I'm going to go ahead and start adhering them together. The colors I'm using, by the way, are Crushed Curry and Early Espresso. Just going to make sure that I push that down, make sure it gets good adherence there. Such a nice 3D effect. Now for the little 1/2 inch circle. Again, you can use a foam pad or the palm of your hand, and I'm actually just making circles with my take your pick tool, and I'm using the larger end of that little ball tip thing. I don't know what it's called. I guess I forgot. I use it for scoring. So I've worked this now until the edges have just kind of curled up. And I find that what I like doing is adding a couple stacked of the mini Stampin' Dimensionals on this to help adhere it. And it keeps that kind of that dimension there. And we'll just place that right there in the center. And there's our gorgeous 3D flower. I'm not sure what all I'm going to do with these yet. I have an idea for a frame that I want to create, maybe for a friend who loves flowers, but right now they're just adorning my desk and I think they're oh so cute, and I'm certainly happy that I shared them with you. Oh, hey, I wanted to point out one other thing. So remember those little 1/8" circles? I love the look with them in it, but I tried it without, and so there's your comparison. This one doesn't have those 1/8" scallop circles and this one does. So I guess you get to pick or make some of each. Thanks for stopping by today. I hope that you'll check out the Daisy Lane bundle, and of course you need the 2 punches to go with it because they match up so great. You can purchase these items in my online store at stampinbj.com. And as always, remember to create and feel great.